Robotics shipments have increased by 12% in the last 2 years. More than 3 million industrial robots are installed annually by several companies across various industries. As you watch this video, robots like Kiva, Bert, and Pegasus are somewhere in different Amazon warehouses working their non-stop 24-hour shifts. Meanwhile, others like Ameca and Sophia are probably preparing a special speech for their next public appearance. Join us in today's video as we unveil the 10 most advanced robots that will shock you. It would interest you to know that one of the robots featured in this video was pioneered by Elon Musk. Make sure to watch to the end to find out which one it is. Ameca. Meet Ameca, our humanoid robot friend that first blinked to life in 2021. This hyper-realistic bot has creepy looks, incredible facial expressions, and outstanding IQ. To design Ameca, engineers first studied the regular body movements in humans and then integrated the animations into the robot system with the help of advanced mechanics. Specific details about the hardware have been kept in the dark, but we know that Ameca requires 17 electric motors to function. A couple of these motors are stored in its head, which helps it make different faces to communicate its feelings. Morgan Rowe, the director of operations at the Engineered Arts Limited, told CNET that Ameca is specifically built to entertain, communicate, and interact with humans. Walker X. Up next, we have Walker X, an intelligent humanoid robot designed by UBTech Robotics. Walker X works with the new industrial design comprehensive AI perception system and has several new age features like the 4D lighting language system and a multimodal emotional interaction to relay 28 vivid facial expressions through a 4.6K HD curved display screen that's mounted on its head. Additionally, Walker X has 41 high-torque servo motor joints, dynamic foot and leg control for balance, multi-dimensional obstacle awareness and avoidance, and a built-in autonomous navigation system. This friendly bot can pour you a cup of coffee in the morning or join you for your yoga session, whichever one you decide. It can also dance and participate in sports like football and chess. Oh, and it can be your masseur as well. Sounds like everyone needs a Walker X in their home, right? The Walker X has since been upgraded to make it more flexible. Now imagine the kind of tasks it will be able to perform. THR3. Designed by Japanese automobile giant Toyota, the THR3 is a highly flexible humanoid robot that can be controlled remotely with the help of the Master Maneuvering System, known as MMS. All the operator needs to do is don the data gloves and a HTC Vive VR headset, which is connected to a camera that allows the operator to see the world from the robot's perspective. The MMS takes over from then on, transmitting signals from the user's gear to the robot. This third-generation robot stands 1.54 meters tall and weighs 75 kilograms or 165 pounds. Toyota believes that the THR3 is versatile enough to serve in different capacities, such as supporting workers on construction sites or rescue efforts during disasters. In the long term, the Japanese automaker expects that this robot will be used to perform remote surgeries and maybe even travel to space. Meltant Beta Avatar Robot. Still staying in Japan, our next entry is an interesting avatar robot called the Meltant Beta. It is designed by Japanese cyborg technology firm Melton MMI. The Meltant Beta was built to make up for Japan's declining workforce and function in the most challenging environments and unfavorable weather conditions. This includes polluted and radioactive areas. The Meltant Beta is tough, with incredible levels of agility and mobility. Before we move on to the next section, if you've made it this far, please make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Also, comment "I subbed" down below for a chance to get a free shout out in our next video. Model H. Japanese manufacturers account for 45% of the global robot supply, so it's no surprise that our candidate was also manufactured in Japan. Designed by Telexistence, this one is called the Model H. It's a telepresence robot that supports teleshopping and remote traveling. Basically, what this means is that you'll be able to travel and shop anywhere in the world without leaving the confines of your house. And guess what? All you need to control this bot is a pair of gloves and virtual reality headgear. Pepper. Well, look what we have here. Pepper, the world's first social humanoid robot built on an open and fully programmable platform. This child-sized bot costs only $1,800, but it has a wide range of features, including LED displays, touch and infrared sensors, cameras, bumpers, and speech recognition capabilities that supports 15 languages, including English, French, Spanish, German, Italian, Dutch, and Arabic. In addition, this battery-powered bot is equipped with sonar for omnidirectional and autonomous navigation, and microphones for multimodal interactions. Unfortunately, Pepper was put out of production last year only after 27,000 samples were made. But thankfully, the memories it created will live with us forever. Before it retired, Pepper was employed by more than 2,000 companies across the world as a customer service representative. Pepper has no problems holding conversations with humans, and it was once described as a robot with a heart. At one time, Pepper appeared in a session of TED Talk as a guest speaker. However, its most notable accomplishment was appearing before a special parliamentary committee in the UK to discuss the use of artificial intelligence in the classroom. Sophia. Developed by Hanson Robotics, Sophia is an enviable work of science, engineering, and art. No wonder it is regarded by most experts as the world's most advanced robot. Since its inception in 2016, the smart, realistic humanoid robot has won many accolades from all around the world. 1 year later, in 2017, the delectable Sophia was bestowed with Saudi Arabian citizenship, becoming the first robot to achieve such a feat, albeit under controversial circumstances. Since then, she has gone on to break more records. Sophia was featured on the last Consumer Electronics Show and headlined the Creative Industry Summit in Egypt. She has an active career in marketing as well. Sophia has the ability to read, understand, and interpret facial expressions made by humans. Sophia has a variety of unique AI characteristics in addition to her attractiveness and ability to converse. At Jimmy Fallon's The Tonight Show in 2019, she introduced her sister, Little Sophia, to the audience. Spot. Spot is an agile, multi-purpose, four-legged robot developed by Boston Dynamics. It weighs 25 kilograms and is only 83 centimeters tall. However, it is able to navigate rough terrains and undertake challenging tasks that most wheeled robots cannot. Spot can carry 14 kilograms and travels at a top speed of 1.6 meters per second. It can either be controlled remotely or function autonomously. Guardian XO. Anyone fancy a robotic guardian? Look no further than the Guardian XO full-body exoskeleton robot. Empowered by this robot, an average human will see their strength multiplied 20 times, giving them the power to lift up to 90 kilograms of load. Sarkos Robotics, the company that designed the Guardian, says it will combine a number of technical and human features to achieve this feat. They include human intelligence and instinct, power, endurance, and high-class precision. Furthermore, the Guardian XO has a number of remarkable features, including advanced control systems for enhanced maneuverability and mobility, a user-friendly interface, and a hands-free mode. Optimus. Elon Musk seems to be active in every aspect of the tech industry, and the robotics space isn't left out. The billionaire announced plans to launch an all-new humanoid robot called Optimus. This creepy bot will run on the same artificial intelligence used by Tesla cars. It'd be interesting to see how this combo would work when it's launched for operational use. But trust Elon Musk to deliver magic. The tech billionaire first revealed plans to develop Optimus during Tesla's AI Day last year. According to experts, the Optimus would be 5 feet 8 inches tall. It would weigh 125 pounds and have 42 actuators. I think the most important product development we're doing this year is actually the Optimus humanoid robot. This, I think, has the potential to be more significant than the vehicle business over time, Elon Musk said. So, these are some of the amazing pieces of robotics technology that are being developed. Let us know your thoughts about them in the comments below. Be sure to check out this video over here.